What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's Waveman Mike. Am I in the camera view? Let's find out. What's up, YouTube? It's Waveman Mike, and today we're going to be talking about slow brushing. So basically, slow brushing is basically what it sounds like. You brush your hair slowly. You can brush fast, you can brush slow, you can brush at like a moderate pace. Here's what I think. When you brush your hair, you should brush your hair anywhere from like that normal speed that you normally brush to a slow pace. Not most people, but yeah, most people that I see like brushing online, like in Instagram videos and stuff, they're always brushing really fast, and they probably think like, if I brush fast I get more strokes in while brushing. But really, I mean, yeah, you are getting more strokes in, but you're not really doing as much as if you were slow brushing or brushing at a normal pace. Brushing at a normal pace is gonna put a lot more work in, because it's holding on to your hair a lot more than if you were just, like if you take your hand, right, and you punch water, no, how do I even say it? Okay, forget the water example. If I'm brushing my hair, right, watch, if I brush fast, how many pieces of hair did you see move? None. Okay, let me brush slow and look how many pieces of hair you see move. See how you can actually see the hair being sculpted the way I want it to be? This is a soft brush, so it's not really doing that much, but so basically, and also you can put more attention to detail and getting your connections better if you're slow brushing rather than fast brushing, because you're not really getting the angle that you really want when you fast brush. You're getting a close to accurate angle, but not really. You can't really be sure that every single stroke is almost precisely the same. Basically, what I'm trying to say is it's better to brush at either like a normal speed or slowly. That's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.